Alright, here's a little Arvin space heater that I'm guessing is probably from either the late 40s or the early mid 50s sometime. Got this at a thrift store for I think $5 or something. And it's in really good shape. All the coils are in good shape. Fan motor runs really well. Pretty much all the paint's on it and in great shape. It's got some nail polish or something on it in a couple places. It's a real nice green color. It's got the original cloth covered cord and what I would guess to be the original plug. It doesn't have a switch or a thermostat or anything on it, so you just plug it in and it goes. See if we can get the... Of course it's the other way around. Yeah, it's cool. Forgot it had all that service stuff. Here's a little fan motor in there. So, start it up. It's not very loud. I don't have my kilowatt up here, but I've tested it before. It runs around 1240 watts. Camera don't pick it up very well, but the middle coils glow red a little bit when it runs. It's a really nice running old heater. I actually use this quite a bit. Definitely worth $5, that's for sure. Just need to find a switch of some sort that's of good enough quality to be able to handle the current it pulls and put a switch on it somewhere. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.